Hey y'all, welcome back to Mrs. B Lux Life. And yes, coach, I'm gonna go ahead and say this now. This is the last for 2020. We just gonna say last. I don't know. I need them to stop. I didn't block them, so if y'all did watch the preview, I didn't block them because that might be mean. I didn't block them or anything, but this was supposed to come overnighted. I ordered this Friday on the 6th, like I told y'all in the previous, but it was supposed to come Monday. Today is Wednesday. It came today. It had some hiccups. They said because of some sale that they had, it was a lot of orders that had to be pushed out. So for the inconvenience, I got a discount. So I'm excited about that. Once I unbox it and show y'all what it is, I'll show y'all how much I paid after taxes and everything. But I thank them for taking care of their customers on that end. But I need them to stop like texting me, emailing me, because I don't feel pressured, but I feel like, oh, that's cute. I could probably wear that with such and such. Oh, that'd be nice to have. Yeah, that's where I be. So, Lord have mercy, y'all. The runway, I watched that. It didn't really do anything to me. It didn't grab. Nothing jumped out at me. So I'm good there. Thank you know. Whew. But this, I have it in one color, but I'm thinking to get it in another color just because, and I don't need to. So let's get to unboxing it. And I brought my 2 wallets to see if they fit in here good or not. So usually for me, that's going to make it if it's going to be a keeper or not. But I do have a Coach wallet from the new collection that I do want to get, possibly to go with the Tabby 20. So we shall see. But let's get back to the unboxing. I hope I do this right, because y'all know I'm bad with. Is that it? Yeah. Let's see, y'all. Let's see. What did they put in here? This is just from the little thank you for shopping at Coach. And I did order this one over the phone. So let's see. All wrapped. Y'all know I love some wrapping. I hope it's packaged well. I don't hear plastic, but I don't know. But oh. Maybe they have it very well. And I know this one came from a certain facility. Oh, I just love it. I haven't even seen it yet. Look at this. Look at it. Perfect packaging. Okay, let's open it. Okay, there's tape here. Oh, this is just, y'all heard that? Pop. Oh, and now I am concerned a little about it because I wanted to work, but we have to see. Do I have it upside down? Yeah, it's upside down. Okay, let's go this way. Let's put all that over there. Look at that, y'all. Y'all see what it is so far? I can't say any guesses because y'all might see what it is. Here's the hang tag. Here's the bag. Here's the strap. Well, one of the straps. Okay, we're just seeing the inside. But here's the strap. And let's see, how do we do this? Baby, they packaged this very well. No complaints. None. Not one. Oh, take it apart right here. Y'all see that? Y'all, look at that. Look at that. little bite size. Okay, where did I put the scissors? Okay, they got them. I have them down there. Okay, let's see. Let's open her up. It's so tiny. It's just a little, and it has engraving on it. It says Coach. The little, y'all can probably see it. Y'all see it? Coach. Okay, let's open it up. What is that? Suede or microfiber? I don't know. I'm gonna have to put the details right here on what the interior is. OMG, look at that. Because this is how it was, but pop that down. So let's take this part off first. I'm just throwing the stuff all over. And look, that's how the inside, oh, that's the inside with the stuffing. So oh, there's the other chain. I'm just like, wait a minute now. But so that's one chain, and this is the other one. We'll get to that. Oh, and a little fresh, what is this? A little fresh, do not eat. That's what those are. They have 2 of those in here. Oh my goodness, y'all. And the little Coach, wear it, love it, pass it on. Y'all know I'm not a sharer. So even my daughter, she gets her own. So no, I'm not a sharer. I don't share well at all. Never share well with others. No, it's never been me. Never. Here's the dust bag. There's three sections on here. This is the little dust bag. And more paper. Paper at the back. Y'all see that? One section here, one section here, and a section back there. So I don't think my phone would fit just looking at it, but before finish unboxing, let's see how this goes. Nope. Wah, wah, wah. Look at that. This is the medium zip around wallet. So that's how that goes. So oh no, I'm gonna figure it out. Because I do have something on my list, so we shall see. But it doesn't fit, so let's see. Oh my goodness, it doesn't fit. So that means, let me see. Hold on, y'all. My phone not gonna fit neither. Sorry, I was measuring. My phone won't fit either. Okay, I'm gonna figure something out because I think this size is gorgeous. What is that? What is that? Why does that glazing look like that? What is that? Look, y'all see that? Right here? Y'all probably can't see it. I don't know what that is. I have to figure out what I'm gonna do about it. Cause look, I brought both wallets. Well, I knew this one wasn't gonna fit, but just to do a size comparison, this is the Sarah. Y'all see that? That's a no. Well, let me do it this way so people see. That's a no. And then that's a no. It's the exact size, but it's a no. It's a no. Oh, man. Okay. I'm going to have to figure out what I'm going to do. Because I'm going to need a wallet to put in here. I might have to get, dang. Who just had one? Dang, I think Mom Ambition, I think that's what it is, and Nothing But Bags. They just showed a little wallet with cards. I know Nothing But Bags. She did the leopard one. It's a little card. I gotta figure it out, y'all. I gotta figure it out. So, okay, let's finish unboxing. Because I'm sitting here like, do I unbox or do I just wrap it up and bring it back to the store? Oh, y'all. Okay, I'm back, guys. I had to go take a little break, but I don't know what to do because I really, really, really like the size of the bag and the cuteness of the bag, but I don't want to just keep something and then I have to go buy more stuff. So Empire 28 was on my list, but I don't think I'm going to use it, so I didn't get it. I don't know, but I think it's cute. But I have a wallet that I want to get for what is it called? The Tabby 20. I do have the little burgundy wallet I want to get for that, but y'all, I think this is super, super cute. And then I don't know what this is on this side right here. I don't know if that's extra glaze that they have on there. I don't know, because it's not on this side. So that's a whole nother thing. But I want to try it on to see like how it fits and everything. It's made very well. The glazing that's around, well, that's around the flap is really, really nice. And it's giving me the Matisse, was it East West? I passed on that one because I was like, I'm not gonna fit anything in it, da 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 da. Here I am with the Coach version. So I think it's East West, so it's West East, something like that. But what do y'all think? Y'all think I need to keep it? I don't know. I don't even want to finish unboxing it truly, because I feel like just wrapping it up and bringing it to the store and get my money back and leaving it at that, and just being patient on the next item that I do need to get, which I do want to get a wallet for the Gucci bag. Even that bag, it fits. So I'm just like, and I don't want to get the 19 because I think the 19, well, I like the 19, don't get me wrong, I like the Cassie 19, but I don't know. But this, without the straps, it comes with the gold strap. Let me see if I can show it to y'all without opening it. Yeah. Oh, I think I can. It comes with a brass strap that hooks on here. And it comes with a leather strap. Let me see. Is there a way that I can show y'all without opening it all the way? I can't believe this. Like, disbelief. Very much disbelief. Because I just knew it was going to work. So, oh, y'all, something on the strap. Oh, it's an extra piece of the stuff. Okay. This is the leather strap that hooks on. So 2 strap options. Oh Lord, I did not want that to come out. Let me put that back in there. 2 strap options with the bag. I thought that was nice. And let me see if it was connected on here and here. That's about how tall the strap would be. So not bad, not bad. I don't want to keep touching it neither, y'all. So, but I'm gonna have to, I try to just be as honest as possible with you guys. So she's gonna have to go back, y'all. It's not gonna work for me. And I don't want to finish unboxing. So it's nice. It might work for somebody else. I do not want to have to go out and buy more straps. Now the price I paid after discounts and everything was $219 with tax and everything, $219 and some change. Perfect. It was $250 plus tax, so it'd have been about probably $270 something. So I did save, but it's not worth it if I'm not going to use it. So the Cassie 17, sadly going back. I won't finish unboxing, but I will. Well, at this point, y'all will see what's going on. But it's just too tiny for me. It's not gonna work. And I know I've seen some other people unbox theirs. They love it. it's not gonna work for me. And I just keep opening it. Like, that's a big, that's how big it is in the inside. But my phone, I did take the phone down trying to put it in here. It doesn't fit. I have a 14 Pro Max. It doesn't fit in here. As y'all saw, the wallet doesn't fit in here. And I was going to do a side-by-side with this and the 20. So let me take the 20, the Tabby 20. Ooh. Let's scratch it up. Well, I bought me another shirt to match it too, y'all. It's black and it says love. And it has some mixed flowers on there. But that's the Tabby 20. And then, so y'all can see, yeah, that's how much bigger. Let's see, let's do it that way. Yeah. So it has about 2 inches, 3 inches or so. Let's see. Let's do it this way. I'll do it top to top. Let's see. Y'all see that? Yeah. But width-wise, they're about, yeah, the Tabby's still a little bigger. But y'all, I really wanted to love this bag. I really did. It's just not gonna work. It is not gonna work. And I'm thinking, there's a card. I want to get the ruby card holder, but I don't know what I want to do. It's so tiny, y'all. It's really small, but it's a cute bag. Don't get me wrong, but I don't want to have to buy more wallets, card cases, and all that. So, yo, and it just looked like it'll be a very nice. And it's like the glazing melted right there. So if y'all can see it, dang, y'all can't see it. Y'all see that right here? It's like the glazing melted. Now look at this side. And then look at this side. Yeah, it's right here. So that's a whole nother issue. So I'm gonna box her up. It's going right back to the store just like this. I'm sorry. I try to do a natural reveal unboxing, and I like to be 100% honest. It's going back to the store. We going back in about 20 minutes, or probably 30 minutes or so. It's just not gonna work. It's that, and look at that baby. Oh, just sit there looking all nice. But yeah, it's not gonna work, y'all. And to anyone that does have the 17, enjoy it, love it. It's just not for me. So I'm about to box her up and head on back to the store and leave it at that. Thank you guys for watching. I'm sorry if this bummed anyone, but authentic as possible is what I do. So she's going back to the store. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And until next time, guys, peace.